Hello, my name is Erin, and the title of my Cell Bio News is Rods Help Set Our Internal Clocks. And this study is from the Journal of Nature Neuroscience. So normally, we run our lives according to the clock. From alarm clocks to watch timers and cell phone alarms, these keep us in tune with the time of day and how we function. So, however, in addition to these timekeepers that we have, our bodies have their own internal clocks that are part of our biological machinery, and they help set our circadian rhythms. So, this contributes to regulating everything in our body from sleeping and waking up cycles to our appetites and even our hormone levels. So, how can our bodies do this, you may ask? Well, light entering our brains through our eyes set these clocks somehow. So although not a lot is known on this subject, recently a Johns Hopkins biologist, along with working in collaboration with scientists from the University of Southern California and Cornell University, discovered more about this subject. Once completed, their study discovered that rod cells, which are one of the 3 kinds of photosensitive cells found in the retina of our eye, are responsible for the setting of these internal clocks in low light conditions and also in high light conditions. It was actually once thought that rods did not contribute to setting internal clocks in bright light conditions because rods become ineffective when they're exposed to bright light. But it turns out because of the study, they discovered that they are effective with bright light. So in the study, the team used mice and they genetically modified them to have only rod photoreceptors, meaning that their cones and photosensitive retinal ganglion cells were not functional. So they then exposed the mice to different types of light settings and intensities, and they measured the animal's response, responding to levels of activity and stuff like that, and they measured how much they would run and play and stuff. So the results of this study are really important because they indicate that prolonged exposure to dim light or low light can influence biological clocks and kind of throw off our sleep cycles. So one way people can avoid this effect is to make sure they get exposure to bright natural sunlight every day. It's also important to adults growing older because adults lose rod cells as they get older. And it's important that they have regular exposure, like I just said, to bright natural daylight every day to make sure that their natural biological rhythms remain in sync so that their sleep and wake cycles remain accurately set. And that's it for my Cell Bio News. Thank you.